All right, today's quick video is just to talk about some quick log facts. Just as we're moving forward and we're getting ready for this quiz, I just want to make sure that we have this information. So, just a little refresher here. If we have log base 4 of x equals y. This is logarithmic form. If I need it in exponential form, my base is 4 to the y power, and it equals x. So logarithmic, exponential, right? Well, what happens if I ask you to write this log in exponential form? With this log, we're technically missing our base here. But with logs, if there's no base, that base is implied and that base is 10. So when I rewrite this, this is 10 to the b equals a. So that's my first log fact. If we have, my markers just all fell down, it's all good. If we have a log with no base, that is the same as a log base 10. Okay? That is the log that you see on calculators. So anytime we need to take a log to a calculator, it has to be in base 10. And we'll talk about how to do that in our next chapter. So I could give you questions like not log base 10 of 10, because that's obvious. Let me try that again. Log of 10. If I asked you to evaluate that, we know the base is 10, so 10 to what power is 10? That's going to give me 1. Or log of 100. 10 to what power is 100? That's 2, because 10 squared is 100. So when we don't have a base down here, we know that those are log base 10. All right. Second fact that we're going to look at. If I gave you e to the m equals n, and I asked you to write that as a logarithm, this becomes log base e of n equals m. All right, second fact. If we have a log base e, we can write that as ln. All right, n was a bad choice here. ln of n equals m. Log base e of x is the natural log of x. So this is called a natural log. A natural log has a base of e. E is not a variable here. E is a number. Okay? E is the number 2.7181828, and then it just has crazy decimals after that. It's just one of those irrational numbers, and we'll talk about where that comes from in our next chapter as we start using our logs and exponentials to solve real-world problems. So our facts that we're walking away with today is that if we have a log base 10, they're not going to put that 10 there. It's implied. And if we have a log base e, we rewrite it as a natural log. Natural logs behave just like logs do. Everything we've done still applies. It's just a base e instead of a base 4 or a base 10. Okay? Take that, run with it, see what you can do.